is mention the two strategies evolved to prevent self-pollination. So, what are the strategies used by farmers to prevent pollination? So, the two start writing as two strategies evolved to prevent self-pollination are maturation of anther and stigma at different times. So, different over here is important in a bisexual flower, which prevents self-pollination, which is known as dichogamy. The next point should be production of unisexual flowers. Unisex means having only one flower. So these are the two strategies. It's simple. When anther and stigma mature at two different time periods, they will lose the time of mating, and thus self-pollination is prevented. And thus we have two types. Okay, so let's say this is a bisexual flower. Bisexual flower means it has both the reproductive organs. These are anthers and this is stigma. Now, when the anther matures, the stigma is still not mature. Okay, so the self-pollination will not occur, and vice versa. When this is mature, this is not mature anymore. So self-pollination will not occur. Second, unisexual flowers. So if one entire plant produces male flowers, that means it has only one type of flowers. It has only anthers. Now, there is no chance of male flower getting fertilizing male flower itself. It is not possible. So self-pollination again will not occur. Okay, students. So these are the two strategies usually taken in practice.